Spend the entire day in back-to-back meetings and struggling to remember all your tasks? Sembly has got you covered. Introducing the latest Sembly app for Microsoft Teams. Carefully designed, so you don't need to leave the convenient environment of Teams to get all your work done. As you may know, Sembly's AI teammate attends your Microsoft Teams meetings. It automatically identifies tasks discussed during the meetings and makes them available in Teams tasks after the meeting is over. Sembly is smart enough to know by whom the task was assigned, who it was assigned to, and the due date. And here are my tasks in Planner, but I didn't create any of them. Sembly did all the work for me. Each task here includes the due date that can be easily managed, and also details of this task, as well as a link to the corresponding meeting. So, if you need more information, you can easily refer back to the discussion. Wondering how to make it happen? Let me show you how tasks can be automatically populated in the planner for every meeting. Sembly seamlessly integrates with the Microsoft To Do app that bridges it with Planner by default, allowing you to further streamline your workflow. You can set up Sembly so that tasks from all or some of your meetings are automatically populated in Planner using automation rules. You also have the option to send individual tasks to Planner as needed. And that's it. Spend your time on what truly matters and let Sembly handle the rest. Work smart with Sembly.